In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Breakout Rooms. 2025 Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn the feature on, create rooms during a meeting, choose how participants are assigned, and open the rooms with confidence. I'll also add helpful context so everything runs smoothly the first time you try it. First, do a quick one-time setup in your Zoom account. Go to the Zoom website and sign in. Open your settings, then scroll to the In Meeting Advanced section. Turn on Breakout Room. If you want to pre-assign people when you schedule a meeting, you can enable the optional setting called Allow Host to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling. That's handy for classes, workshops, or standing team meetings where groups stay consistent. Don't forget to click Save. You'll only need to do this setup once unless you change accounts or settings later. Now let's walk through what to do during your meeting. Start the meeting as the host. Only the host or a co-host can create and manage breakout rooms, so make sure you have the right role before you begin. When you're ready to split people up, click Breakout Rooms on the meeting toolbar. A window will appear asking how many rooms you want and how you'd like to assign participants. Choose automatically if you want Zoom to distribute people evenly. Choose manually if you prefer to place participants yourself. Or if it's available to your group, choose Let Participants Choose Room, which allows attendees to join the room they prefer. This option is great for office hours, topic tracks, or open networking. Once you've made your selections, click Create. If you selected manual, you'll see a list of rooms with an Assign button for each. Click Assign and choose the people you want in that room. You can adjust placements freely at this stage, so feel free to move someone if you change your mind. This is useful for balancing group sizes or pairing specific people together. When your setup is ready, click Open All Rooms. Participants will see a pop-up inviting them to join their assigned room, and they'll click Join to enter. If you'd like to control how long the breakout sessions last, you can set a timer so rooms automatically close and everyone returns to the main meeting. That's it. With the feature enabled, a clear plan for assignment, and a quick review before opening the rooms, you'll run breakout sessions that feel smooth, organized, and predictable every time.